Hello Halit, how are you?
I'm good, nervous, and very scared at the moment.
Where are you from?
Kenya, but I live in Australia
Okay, why did you come?
to get my hair transplant done. As you can see, the dope is quite bad.
Are you
Used to be very-
nervous?
Extremely.
Why?
Because if I show you my photos from the way my hair used to be to what it is, I think, and it's because I've never done it before.
Okay. Why did you find Swedish Clinic?
I researched on the internet, and then I've been communicating with Rashida, and it seemed very professional and good. So
Okay, thank you Rashida.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.
yes.
Good morning.
Morning.
Morning. Hello again Halit, how are you?
Good having you.
You had a hair transplant 1 week ago, right?
On Friday. During the day is okay. At night, the back will be paining when I sleep because I'm only sleeping on the back.
Do you like our clinic?
So good so far. We'll see results. We'll know.
Okay. Will you suggest our clinic?
If I get the results I want, most definitely. It's too early to say.
Okay. Thank you, Ali.
Thank you.
You can contact us immediately via our WhatsApp number or click the link in the video to ask our doctor questions via email.